Thank you guys so much. I'm the guy named Shaggy Marion. Have a good fucking night.
Yeah, 2-3.
I would love for your mindset to think I should sell this.
Yeah. What's good with it, man? Y'all know what it is. She know what it is. Whee! Know what it is. 2-3. And guess what, baby? The dream continues. Yeah! Bitch!
You probably went to some busted ass city with some busted ass hamburgers.
Not for real.
Okay, so is it Rallies?
Rallies is checkers.
Yeah.
Fuck that.
What's good with it, man? Y'all know what it is. She know what it is. Whee! Know what it is. 2-3. And not only is it motherfucking Lardi B show day in Ohio, but goddamn it's snow day in Ohio, you bitch! You feel me? So yeah, man. Right now we pulling up to the goddamn meet and greet. You feel me? We finna meet everybody. Shout out to everybody who pulling up. And like I said, man, it's show day, snow day. We about to go out here and do this shit, man. We've been dreaming for this and working for this shit our whole fucking lives. This shit don't even feel real. Go live your dreams, man.
The engine stops revving itself.
Okay, that's fine. What? I don't know. Is the defroster
You'll
on?
physically feel the difference once you start.
Is the defroster on?
So it's like -7,
Hey,
Coil.
8
is the
degrees,
defroster on?
and they arguing about it.
The air conditioner creates heat.
Can we not?
Yes. Air conditioners can create. I'm just trying to warm up for a second.
Then
bro.
warm
We
the
been
car
here for
up,
like
fool.
5
Y'all
fucking
sitting in
seconds.
the
Bro,
car.
what's up with y'all, bro?
Hey, Tupac is good. Stone Cold Steve Austin.
I thought it was ice, but it's like.
But yeah, man, we in Ohio at the wait to be seen. We live at Dirty Frank's, my nigga. We live at Dirty Frank's, you feel me? Eating good in the neighborhood. I got that Chicago dog on them. Hey, Dirty Frank's. I'm gonna get that thing a 5 out of 5, you know what I'm saying? We back in here in one of the green rooms. There go Jason ugly ass, you know what I'm saying? They got the bathroom. They got the restricted area. Out with the hell rock and roll. Oujia Macc, Darby, otrill, King 810, Lardi B, Juggalohio. Going on at 740. Way to do it is to do it. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Only way to do it is to do it. So we live right now, sound check. Y'all know how this shit be going, you know what I'm saying? We gotta come up here, make sure all the levels good, make sure all the mics good, make sure all the sound good, make sure all the songs good, make sure all that shit good. And then, yeah, you know what I'm saying? We get to feel the stage and all that good shit and show these niggas how it's motherfucking me done. You dig me? You smell me? Y'all know what it is. She know what it is. Whee!
That part.
Yeah.
I get excited to tap into it in the moment, so I get to live in the scene of it. And when it happens, the shit that's happening is like an ether. And if you tap into it and you believe in it, then you really can do whatever. And it ain't me being good or something, it's just it being it. And if you're a part of it, you blessed.
Yeah!
Hey, Juggalohio! I want my fucking vengeance! You chillin' with some roaches. I'm chill atrocious. Catch me in the building with some fucking juggalos, bitch. Anybody can get it if you feel it. Man, I'm holding back tears right now. Cause this is fucking gorgeous. I love you guys.
Sold Out Shows, Chapter 17. Shaggy the fucking airhead. Yeah. So yeah, man, we got about 1 more hour till showtime. We about to turn this motherfucker out.
Put your motherfucking hands up! Hands up! Hey, 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 Let's turn this motherfucker up. All my juggalos and juggalettes. All the way from Dallas, baby, Lardi. Okay. Come on. I'm about to throw this cake at TV. Okay. Let's go. Say what? Mommy, daddy, wanna kiss like mommy, Russia. Let's go. This is delicious. Thank you. Ooh! Cotton candy. Alright, so I know you're a family and all, right, family? But which side is louder? Lonely side or 2-3 side? If you're on 2-3 side, repeat after me. Hey, we want some bullshit. That was so
Okay, wait. Split. Y'all let me nice out. Split down the middle. Over here. Repeat after me. Dallas, Texas. Woo, woo. Hey, we want some pussy. Fuck that. All together now, motherfucking family.
Let's do it. Fuck it. Y'all know what this is. We need everybody in this bitch cups up, drinks up, blunts up. Give them that face, beat up, hands up. Let's go.
Okay, on deck, just call him the plug. It'll make you think he got a big old dick full of diamonds. And if he ever gets you all, you pray to God you be fighting him. This is catchy parties full of strawberry condoms. He gives a roofie to Casey and says her home will be mama. But she already knows you wanna take all the clothes and all these uptown on your legs trying to fall.
We gon' bring it deep down. Juggalohio, we gon' compare.
Holy shit, thank you for welcoming me into this world. Now, hello? Hello?
Here we go. Every fucking Juggalohio right now. Put the rolls in my mouth. Put the rolls in my mouth. Put the rolls in my mouth.
Said I know I like to eat 11 days a week. Wings and pizza, stuff that crust with extra cheese. Yeah, we feasting on some wings and pizza. I'm so hungry, I can't stop. Wings and pizza. Give me all the ranch you got for that wings and pizza.
Wait, good content they go put it right. You are the content they go put it right. Where's that content they go clean stash?
Oh, you know what I do have though?
What you got?
I think I have a hatchet. Love her. I dropped a new song yesterday, have you heard it? So I need y'all to turn the fuck up for this one. This is my hatchet.
All my juggalos and juggalos. Y'all motherfucking content.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's get it. Come on, me and my hatchet. Bring it, me and my hatchet. Run. Run.
Me and my hatchet.
Run.
Don't be just what a gigolo said. My clowns wanna juggle my rap. Other girls wanna eat on my snack. I'm a prize on the rock with a cracker jack. No more snowflake show. Let's get along. I'm such a bitch King Kong. Now that bitch King Kong. I call your mom. Ring on the door. Ding dong. Ding dong. The bitch is dead. She owed me brown with her head. Ding dong. The wicked bitch is dead.
Let's go.
And my hatchet. Run. My hatchet. Run.
Run. Let's go.
Yeah.
I told y'all we in this hole.
It might be cold outside, but it's hot as fuck in here, man. Juggalos are like a power source.